Since SAVA stock printed this bottom of $2.19, this was as of Friday, the 20th of December 2024. It has since gained around 36%. Obviously, you all know very well that simufilam, they're not continuing with that. There has been lawsuits from investors as regards what they probably are considering some deceit from the company. But in any case, what we have is that it has printed a bottom, and we are now seeing upper projections. The extrapolation for its 10 and 21 period moving averages are for higher prices. If we have a look, we will also see that there seems to be a validation of that as well on its price pressure momentum. Let's see for the period moving average. Let's see price. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, do I have it here? I have it there. Yes. So yes, we have it. We have it. Um, Projection for higher prices. Projection for momentum to remain strong. Where this is where we are right now. Okay, no. This is where we are. This is right around where we are. We are. This is okay. This is tomorrow, the 8th of January. So momentum is expected to continue to remain strong up till Thursday, the 16th. And indeed, also, we have upper projections that are still very much in play. We have 12.71, $12.71, and we have completed the probability of it reaching such levels as 52.46%. The probability of it remaining below 12.71, which is that projection where my cursor is 47.61%. We equally have another projection here, 16.9. The probability of it submitting and surpassing that is 50.92%. The probability of it staying below that is 40.08%. So it's a 50, there's a 50-50 chance of these two projections being met and surpassed. I believe to some extent that might equally be what it is for 19.65 and 23.24. But the reason why we have these 50-50 probabilities is because the stock has actually printed these. It wasn't very long ago that these prices were printed. Just not very long ago. We're looking at Friday, the 22nd of November. Not very long ago. So the moving averages are still very much. Because if you want to, compute these probabilities, you now have to refer to uh, moving averages and standard deviations that were printed when the price was volatile. So it's influencing the outcome of these probabilities, and it's not to some extent you can equally see that because when you see a price drop dramatically to its bottom, do you want to buy the dip? So if you want to buy, you can imagine it's not only you, others are doing so. You can equally imagine that the probability of a rebound will equally be strong because you know yeah it's it's this is how it's validated. This the data validates you hope that this will be that you hope that a rebound will occur because it's a gap to some extent to some extent as they say it gapped down so a rebound you would expect would be a strong one and this is how this is how it comes in numerically. It's from these very high standard deviations and moving averages. They influence the probability. So um, yeah, indeed, we equally have other negated projections, but those projections were in play before the stock bottom down, and with the news of the discontinuation of simufilam. So let's have a look at its 1 week chart and see what we have here. So we have equally projections as well. Extrapolation for a bottom has that bottom will print as of here. Okay, the decline is expected to have halted, or is expected to yes, expected to have halted, or what looks like a validation of that. And then we have 9.09 on the weekly chart, and it's an upper projection. Yes, that's 9.09. Yeah, there isn't any other one. So we can just quickly have a look at its monthly chart and see what whether there's any projection here as well. The monthly chart. Yes, there's also a projection. We have a 4.46 as well. 4.46. Not very long ago, we had there was as of okay, no, this is yeah, well, 4.46. Yeah. Okay, let's the pre-market session is I think in effect now, and the stock is up around by a very modest amount. Okay, we have to modify we have to change settings on the chart to get something graphic to get some to spread out the charts, spread out the plots. Let's go to 45 minutes. Here we have projections here 3.22. They go all the way towards 3.5. 3.5. It's currently trading at 3.01 or thereabout, $3 or thereabout in this pre-market session. Let's get a 1 hour chart and see what we have. In the 1 hour chart, we have pop-up projections. We have 3.27. In the 2 hour chart, what do we have? We have projections as well, 4.14. Below that, we have 3.9. Below that, we have 3.59. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Let's see. Okay, we don't have anything. There are no projections, but extrapolation is for higher prices. Extrapolation is for higher prices on the stock. Okay, yeah, okay. See what you make of SAVA stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.